Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Harley Davidson Street Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 Harley Davidson Street Glide with 34,333 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a keyless ignition. It's been upgraded with an EFI module, Scream Eagle ignition cables, a Stage 1 intake, a Roland Sands design primary cover, a front brake reservoir cap, an aquatic AV radio, Jensen speakers, aftermarket slip-on mufflers, extended saddlebag, side covers, passenger footrests, rider footrests, a rear brake pedal, shifter and shift linkage, an LED headlight, LED turn signals, headlight trim ring, extended front and rear fenders, a 21-inch front wheel, an engine guard, tinted windscreen, 10-inch handlebars, and rear air suspension. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Street Glide puts 98 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Street Glide has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 27.1 inch seat height and an 822 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and both tires at 5/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a dent and paint chip on the front fender, a scratch on the fuel tank, a scrape on the rear fender, scratch on the right saddlebag lid, scratches on the upper fairing and mirror housing. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the Program at Warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.